In the world of emotions, love often feels like a battlefield. Some days we charge forward fearlessly, undeterred by pain or rejection. Other days we tiptoe cautiously, protecting ourselves from heartache. Love is powerful, capable of building or breaking us. But there's a truth many of us overlook. Love isn't just about getting someone's attention. It's about being the one they can't stop thinking about. Gone are the days when simply being liked or having your feelings returned was enough. Today, relationships are more complex. A woman might like you, enjoy your company, or even be in a relationship with you, but that doesn't automatically mean she truly misses you when you're not around. If you want to be unforgettable to a woman, if you want her to think about you when you're not there, to genuinely miss you, then you need more than charm. You need depth, consistency, and an emotional imprint that lingers long after your conversations end. In this video, we'll dive deep into the psychology of attraction and affection. We'll unpack the 3 powerful traits that make a woman crave your presence, long for your messages, and miss you in a way she can't quite explain. So if you're ready to become unforgettable, stick around till the end. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on powerful insights that help you grow in love and life. Now, let's dive into the first key: security. When a woman feels safe, she allows her heart to open. But without security, no amount of affection will make her stay. And we're not just talking about physical safety here, though that plays a role. We're talking about emotional security, the kind that makes her feel deeply protected, valued, and favored. You see, many women carry invisible baggage, past betrayals, abandonment, emotional scars. These wounds make them cautious. They might smile and laugh, but deep down, they're asking, can I trust him? Will he hurt me like the others did? If you want a woman to miss you, you must first answer those questions not with words, but with actions. Security starts by making her feel that she's the exception, not just another option. Maybe you're someone who hates being late, but you wait an hour for her. Maybe you detest cilantro, but you eat it with a smile because she cooked it for you. These acts of favoritism create a strong emotional imprint. More than that, emotional security means honesty. You don't just delete texts from other women. You tell her about them up front. You let her scroll through your phone without hesitation. You don't hide. You invite transparency. Not because you're being controlled, but because you care about her peace of mind. Remember, when a woman feels safe emotionally, she begins to trust. And trust builds a bond so strong that your absence won't just be noticed, it'll be felt. That's how you become unforgettable. Number 2, warmth. Now let's talk about warmth. Not the kind that makes you friendly with everyone, but the kind that makes her feel like she's the only one in your world. Today, being a warm guy is often misunderstood. Some men think being warm means being nice to everyone equally. But here's the truth. If your warmth feels generic, it loses value. Warmth that makes a woman miss you is selective, personal, and intentional. It's remembering her little quirks, like how she likes extra whipped cream on her latte, or how she hates horror movies but still watches them with you. It's preparing a heating pad for her during her period, without her even asking. It's choosing the movie she loves, even if you'd rather watch something else. These gestures, though small, carry a powerful emotional charge. They say, I see you. I remember you. I prioritize you. When a man consistently shows this level of attentiveness, a woman feels seen and cherished. It's no longer about grand romantic gestures. It's about making everyday life more comfortable, thoughtful, and shared. And when that warmth becomes routine, that's when she begins to miss it in your absence. She doesn't just miss you. She misses the emotional cushion you provided. That cozy, dependable feeling that made her life softer and brighter. In a world where many people are emotionally unavailable or distracted, your focused warmth will stand out. It will become something she associates uniquely with you, and that's powerful. Number 3, romance. Romance isn't dead, it's just evolving. Many men wrongly assume that after the honeymoon phase, romance becomes irrelevant. But for a woman, romance is the glue that binds emotional intimacy. It's not about expensive dates or flashy gifts. It's about effort, intention, and surprise. Imagine sending her a handwritten note out of the blue. or planning a surprise picnic just because. Even something as simple as ordering her favorite snack when she's having a bad day can rekindle emotional connection. These acts tell her, "You're worth the extra thought." Some men scoff at romance, believing it's impractical. "It won't pay the bills," they say. True, but it will build memories, foster emotional intimacy, and make her think of you every time she hears a love song or passes that cafe you took her to. Romance is the magic that turns routine into ritual. Without it, a relationship can start to feel like a chore. But with it, even the dullest moments become tender. A romantic man isn't always poetic or artistic. He's just present. He listens. He notices. He puts thought into moments. That's the kind of man who lives in a woman's heart long after he's gone. In love, the details matter. The texts you send, the moments you remember, the warmth you offer, the honesty you live by. These are what build emotional gravity. If you want a woman to miss you like crazy, it's not about being the loudest, richest, or most handsome guy in the room. It's about being the most emotionally present. Security, warmth, and romance aren't just relationship strategies. They're emotional currencies. When you offer them sincerely, consistently, and uniquely, you become irreplaceable. You become the one she compares everyone else to. So ask yourself, are you showing up with your full heart, or are you just going through the motions? Are you building a connection that echoes in her absence, or are you leaving behind silence? Start today. Call her for no reason. Compliment something she didn't expect. Be the man who notices, who protects, who nurtures. Because when you're that man, she won't just like you, she'll miss you. Deeply, desperately. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell so you never miss powerful relationship insights. Leave a comment below. What trait do you think makes someone truly unforgettable? Thanks for watching, and until next time, be the man she can't forget.